So this wasn't planned, but I ran into Ken Cunningham, CEO of Miranda Gold, here at the Metals and Minerals Conference in New York. That's why these shows are so great, I guess.
Yeah, no, it's great to see you again, and Miranda's in town. We had some business meetings, and
some big news to announce today.
and we have a great press release out today, a new acquisition in Colombia, a large project. It's a license, so we can start working on it right away. It's actually, the great news about it is it's a sign of the times. We acquired it from a distressed property or company, I should say, and actually it was a property originally held by Barrick, active in Colombia, and so we know it's a big company-sized project, and we'll be working on it and putting together targets, and it's within our area of influence with Agnico Eagle, and so hopefully Agnico will like it, and we'll have a new joint venture with Agnico.
So how many ounces of gold do you think you're sitting on there?
Oh, the thing on Colombia is some of these big high sulfidation projects, like our new project, can be multi-million ounce. So that's the attraction. That's why Barrick was there. Obviously, Barrick wants big things. Agnico Eagle wants big things, and Miranda is focusing either on multi-million ounce projects like in Colombia, or like our Willow Creek project in Colombia, which is certainly not multi-million ounce, but the grade up there is 30 grams for your Canadian audience, or 1 ounce per ton. And we've got 2 qualified companies that are looking to come into that under a joint venture.
So, Ken, how do you do it in this space that's so difficult right now, especially for the juniors? You're one of the few juniors that are continue to be active, continue to make discoveries. How do you do it?
That's a great question. I was asked that question at a luncheon yesterday. Somebody said, well, you've been around for a long time. What have you done for your shareholders? And, what we've done for our shareholders really is we've kept an active treasury. We've done deals. We've reduced our burn rate. We've obviously had to cut back on some staff, but we've really focused on the areas and the projects and the jurisdictions that we think are going to be important in this kind of market, and we've been able to get Agnico Eagle in. We've been able to get 2 qualified companies to look at our Willow Creek project in Alaska. They will come in and pay the capex to put it into production, and Miranda would potentially get cash flow from that. So we have stayed active. We intend to deliver the home run to our shareholders, and you do that by protecting your treasury and acquiring good things in a down market.
Now, Ken, finally, I know you've been one of the few mining CEOs who hasn't always been outright bullish about the metals. So has your sentiment since changed?
Mining is a tough business, and Miranda knows what our niche is and what we're good at. We're really good at exploring and finding. And so we'll leave the hard stuff, the actual permitting and mining and whatnot to our partners, and we hopefully will put something in front of them that's so attractive that they'll move forward and we'll both be successful.
All right. So. Well, Ken, I'm happy I ran into you. Thanks for chatting with me.
Oh, thank you so much for your time. It's always great to see you.
Well, thanks, Ken, and thanks for watching our continuous coverage here at the Metals and Minerals Conference in New York. We'll have more for you. Thanks for watching.